Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the error, Windows Update cannot currently check for updates because updates are controlled, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you to the resolution. First of all, you need to open the Registry Editor. So, press the Windows key and the R button together. In the Run window, type the command regedit and hit enter to open the Registry Editor window. Now go to HKey Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows. Under Windows, we will create a subkey named Windows Update. I will simply copy this word and then we will create a subkey. So I'll right click on Windows, select New Key and then name it Windows Update. After this, we will again create a subkey with the name AU. That is it. I will right click on Windows Update, New Key, and I'll name it AU and hit enter. On the right pane, we will create an entry named AU Options. Right pane for AU and new dword 32-bit value and the name is AU Options. Hit enter. Now we would have to change the value data for AU and we would have to change it to 5, which is corresponding to the policy to allow local admin to choose settings. Double click on this, open its value data, change it to 5, hit enter and reboot your computer. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.